that's what it is. You just need to roll out, make the right size like this plate, press in, and then put the plate in another part, and put these two together, push down. All of a sudden, right here. Just like work on that raw material process and different brands. You will know everything. You will check the whole expired. Okay, so let's look at some plate here. I just want to shoot some plate. Sticky, cold. They just treat it and put the plate there. So 10 days, get it off the sticky like that. Great, little bit. That's easier to separate. Open that, so the rock paper like that is on. It's textured with these two from the stackers will change from very dark color completely. We check those blue cracks, good fire in the container. Life size, that's made in the different method. We call the work foil. I think maybe you saw some corners to be alterated. We use another team, they make the face part and details of the hairpiece. So all work done, the head just sits on the top. So the real ones, you will see that in the museum, all the heads come off, just sits out like that. And today we know the rank of these guys, not from the uniform they have. We know the different ranks from hairpiece they got. So that's much more easier we check these. When you go to the museum, you will see the different hairpiece ones, you will know who is higher, who is lower. You should remember that. When you go there, the Southeast in baskets, most of the warriors standing. Okay, this is rather something special here. We have only one artist to work here, and his works to be something special for you. Each piece of that, another one, arm hand and camera. One body, two heads, seats on the top. So we're talking when he has that party, he can take his head. That's the work we do. And only one artist to work in this show. That is pretty busy, easy, really beautiful. Good job. Today, we need something from the head, from the body, we deliver back to the city. You come from the warehouse, and somebody call you, wants to come here, right here to take them out. So this is different. If you do like something like that, we just need a picture that you're living. Almost a couple of weeks later, you will get an email from us. This is almost done. You will check it, something like that. Still white. Some part can be changed. Maybe if you think you need a less wrinkle, you need something different. So that's what we need. So start today, we need more than a month because that's the details. We hand down the details in 2 weeks. Air dry another 2 weeks. Fire color. And shipping like in 3 months.
Our judge.
That'd be great.
We do know what the real one looks like. That one, just the imagination. In our house, you should go there to pick them out. But we have a big group, and this is right the low season. So all stuff here, we should get the special deal.
Chili. There you go.
That's one for sure. Who did money? Can you do it? I think go.
Amazing.
How did he just make it all?
Isn't that amazing?
Slopped it and it became.
I wanted to take it. Yeah.
Pulling and turning over and pulling and turning over. Yeah. Oh. It's amazing. See, it keeps them all connected at the bottom. It is. And then poke. breaks them.
Oh, can you? Probably one by one.
And he clumps them in his hand on the other side, rips it off, and then he drops them into the flour so they don't stick together. That's why it's nice to that. Yeah, Patrick.